are here today. I'm Danielle.
I'm Jessie.
I'm Jessica.
And I'm Bianca behind the camera today.
And we have Jessica here today, so we're definitely going to see the comments, not like last week, where we totally flubbed that up. But
at least they came through at the end. I mean, we answered them.
So she's going to be right on top of your comments during the live presentation.
Oh, they're coming up this week.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Morning,
great.
ladies.
Yep.
Hello.
Whatever.
Bianca's a little bitter about that.
It's fine.
Oh, they're working now. All right, so fun thing to do. We have some terracotta pots, and we're just going to simply decorate them with the signed vinyl. We have different kinds of signed vinyl today. This one was the Oracal matte. You had me at aloe. I love these little things. These little things are everywhere online. So they were really fun to kind of look through. I don't know if anybody got the email from this morning and found some really fun ones of their own that they want to share with us, but definitely put them in the comments so that way, you can share it with everybody. These are super fun, but we're going to show you how to do, we're working with the Siser PSV. We have some permanent, we have some glitter, and then we have the FDC Chalkboard one that we're also going to do. So we're just going to kind of make some terracotta pots here and keep it easy. So we'll go with this one. We have, this is the Siser Glitter PSV. So we have just a cute little face that we've already weeded. So we're going to we're gonna use a different tape today. Did somebody make a funny?
Yeah.
Did somebody make a funny?
Said, you talk, I heard you. Morning, Isha. Morning, Mandy. Midge said, and I am Midge from North Carolina.
Hi.
Hello, Jamie and Tom. Morning, Tom.
So we already have all these weeded. So we're just gonna kind of put it down on one side and roll it across.
I think it's so cute. I hope my plant grows like a chia pet.
Oh, that would look so funny. All right. And here we go. And we'll just kind of, can you see that, Bianca, or am I the wrong way?
Nope, you're good.
I think that looks good right there. And
Seth says, have you got the time?
hey.
Deborah said, I'm planning in front of Facebook Live to watch you.
Oh, that's a good one.
There are so many. Like, once we started looking for them yesterday, that's all that comes up on my, Pinterest page.
Perfect. And look how cute.
Oh, it's so cute.
I love that. And don't forget, you can also paint these. We didn't have time to paint them, but that's an option too, to paint it and then apply the PSV. It's so cute. I love that.
Says, you girls look great today.
Thanks.
Nice. Look.
I think we're all wearing matching polos, too. We are. I have blue and we can't see me.
Oh,
look at you.
I'm different.
But you know, it's okay. It's like the bride and the bridesmaid, the supervisor and the crew.
Oh gosh, it went a different way. All right, so Jessie's gonna go ahead and she's gonna weed the EasyPSV. I'm just taking that as if we're gonna try to.
I was gonna say, make me so nervous, all clanking together.
See, hi all, Shelly from Trinidad. How do you clean your mat? She says.
Matt, where?
How easy it is to read.
Which mat are you
Went ahead
referring
and
to,
picked out
Shelly?
the
Let us
corner.
know. Deborah says, love the eyes. We're getting some hard eyes. And some cool nails.
I'm gonna. Oh my
God!
The whole table.
We almost just had to cancel this Facebook Live.
Workers' comp for Bianca.
I gotta go somewhere. Clearly, I am not okay today.
Happy Easter, Jerry.
Oh gosh. All I wanted to do was just get a piece of Oracle tape.
I was like, what's
would've
happening
went
here?
with it because I was leaning down.
I'm so sorry.
I thought that's what did it because I leaned down and Destiny's leaned down. So wait, the cinder blocks are like ladies.
If nobody realized, our whole desk just moved forward because I pushed it by accident. Jessie almost went down right there. I'm so sorry.
She said the cutting mat. I'm guessing for the vinyl cutter. Doesn't that have to be replaced after?
There are a lot of I would Google that on YouTube. There are so many people out there that have cleaned it a different way and then wound up adding more adhesive to it. So definitely take a look at YouTube cleaning the cutting mat. We don't clean ours. We just go in the back in the warehouse and get a brand new one. So I wouldn't have the best advice for you. I'm sorry. But people that, you know, use their cutting mats all the time will definitely give you a better solution than
And
what
anybody
we have.
who's, you know, commenting underneath that has some tips for Shelly, let her know how you clean your cutting mat or if you just replaced it. Alicia says, hello, ladies. We'll be there in a few picking up my materials.
His name is Axel. I met him at ISS.
Oh, I see it at the
Yeah.
end now. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah. I remember he
we made that mistake before.
I feel like I did the same thing and he commented and made
Must
sure.
be the last name.
Yeah.
All right, so
You
we're
want to bring it
Yep,
in?
of course.
we're all stuck there.
Herb your enthusiasm, guys. So.
Get it.
Love it.
Rhonda says, I like to watch you girls. You always have great ideas.
Let me just.
Mitch said, yeah, you put the heat press on a separate table. Actually, it's on some stools right now.
Table's fine.
Don't say that, Jess. It's fine.
Oh, it's so cute.
All right. So I'm just pushing
This
it
one's
down.
Bianca's, her little terracotta pot.
For my leaning basil plant. You want the squeegee?
No.
All right. You're a pro now, right?
I'm fine.
All right.
There you
Perfect.
So nice.
So cute. Love it.
go. Love it.
All right, so if you have a lot of herbs and all different ones kind of lined up on your counter, you can always do the chalkboard vinyl, and then you write. We forgot chalk. So sorry, but
You get the idea.
You can write what herb is in that pot. So you know, we just took kind of like a sort of background label. I think
I searched. Was it labels?
it was
I forget what it was actually
Removable
called now.
labels,
I think
something
so.
like that.
yeah.
There's
Sorry,
free
that's
downloads
my
online
Favorite
for
idea.
it.
That's cool.
So
Decorative label. I think that's
there
what it
you
was.
go. And then you just kind of place it where you want it, just like all the others. And this one's just super fun. It's in a nice spot. It's a big enough label that you can write whatever you need on it.
Jacqueline says, Happy Easter. Love your Friday shows.
Thanks.
It's Jessie's mommy.
And then
The
if
little
you
emojis there too.
if you get
Yes,
a little
pretty Easter
bubble
one.
like I did right here at the bottom, I don't know, can you see the bubble on there?
I can get closer to it. Sorry for the shaky camera there. Yeah, I can see the bubble.
You just smush it and
Oh.
push it out because it's
it's
close.
coming up
It's
in
close enough to the edge where you have room to kind of work it out. If it was like in the middle of a design, you couldn't really mush it like that. You could lift it up and then lay it back down or pop it. But for this kind of thing, it was easy enough to just mush it. So that's what we did.
Like your professional term.
Mush it.
Mush it.
You gotta love that. All right, so we have decorated
You're gonna put them all in a line.
all of
so
our
I
little
can-
pots here. I think the smiley face one is like my favorite.
Yeah, I know.
That's
Very cute.
and there we go.
And that took like 5 minutes.
Yes.
You know, like that's as simple
And
it
you
could
know
be.
what? There's so many different ideas. Like go online. You can paint them. Like I said, you can wrap like the burlap string around it.
That's a cute idea.
And then like tie a bow. Like there's so many different ways to make them like way more creative than just vinyl on a pot. But it still is a very nice decorative item that anybody can put in their kitchen or outside. So these are perfect. Because remember, the sign vinyl is good for indoor or outdoor use. Just not the chalkboard because, you know, why would you want that outdoor anyway? It wouldn't hold the chalk. But so super simple, easy. Do we have any more little questions or fun sayings?
No. And this is a good idea too for those who are buying their mother or relatives Easter flowers. And also Mother's Day is right around the corner too.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this is a fun project you can incorporate the kids to do. This is how easy sign vinyl is to apply.
Yep.
You cut it, but have the kids apply it.
Yeah, take the weeding tool away from them.
Yeah.
But other than that, it's fine.
And no other questions. We got a lot of likes.
Perfect. All right, well, thank you everybody for watching, and we will come back here next week. Bye.
Bye.